Hey everybody, welcome to the ExitSaaS Automations channel. And today we're going to be taking a look at the roofing CRM or customer relations management tool that we have built. And before we jump into everything, I want to tell you first a little about myself, about our company, and about why we built this roofing CRM and CRMs for other trades and other businesses. Well, first of all, I am a Florida business owner. I've been running a manufacturing company in Florida since 2018, and I built my own CRM from scratch based on training and education that I had received during my 23 years in the United States Air Force. I retired in 2012 and purchased a manufacturing company in 2018. And I built our own CRM, and it's been a work in progress over the last 8 years. But then when AI came along, I found that I was able to, once I had learned how to communicate with the AI properly, I could build software that was far beyond anything that I had ever built before, using the same tools and techniques that I learned during my time in the Air Force. And since building my own CRM for my own company and improving it, upgrading the features, I can say that I have never paid a software subscription to a CRM company. And not having that additional overhead has been fantastic for my profit and for my business. We build all of our own tools in-house. And our current CRM manages our manufacturing processes, our HR, our payroll. It is multi-tenant, meaning that multiple users access the CRM. It runs our network of 8 distributors that are located around the state of Florida. And so it's multi-location, multi-tenant, multi-user. And we run every company. We run 7 distributors, and we run the manufacturing company for Privacy on Demand and Florida Lanai Curtains out of our CRM. And we have more features in our CRM than any other CRM out there, and we don't pay any subscription fees. We don't pay any per user seat fees. I can have thousands of users, thousands of locations if I needed to, without us paying a single penny more. And now some of you have learned the secret that we don't have to pay software subscriptions anymore. And that is the purpose of my company, ExitSaaS.com. I take the lessons that I've learned over the last 10 years of building CRMs and deploying them and using them in my own real-world business without any subscription fees to help other business owners escape the subscription fee trap. Because for some of you, what you found is that these CRMs out there like Job Nimbus, AccuLinks, Service Titan, they're free when you first get into them if you're just a one-man show. But when you start growing your company and adding employees and adding users that need to access those CRMs, then the price really starts to jump up. When you need new features that they say are optional, but you really do need them for your business, you're going to pay more. So that is the subscription model, is to give you the basics for free, but make you pay for the stuff that you really need and for the additional access that you need for your employees. And so as your company grows, so does your subscription fee costs, and your business becomes dependent upon that software, and they make it deliberately too painful to escape and to go move to your own system. Well, ExitSaaS is destroying the subscription software model by building software for ourselves and for you that has no subscription fees attached to it. You buy it once, We build it for you, and you own it forever. So whereas software subscriptions are a liability for your business that never ends, owning your own software becomes an asset for your business. My manufacturing business is so much more valuable with the tools that have been built into our CRM because there's literally almost nothing we can't do with it. We're adding new features all the time. Because we own it, we have the flexibility to make it adapt to our business and the way we conduct business. So I'm here to tell you that you're not trapped in subscriptions. You can get out of them, and we can help you. All right, now you might say, well, yeah, Merrill, I found that out. I can use AI to build my own CRM. Well, you're one of the smart ones then, because you've realized you don't have to succumb to the subscription trap, and there's a way out. But I will tell you this, after years of experience of using AI and building software, it's not as easy as you think. Sure, you can tell ChatGPT, build me a CRM for my business, and it's going to build something for you. But is it secure? Is it reliable? Will it leak data? Is it hackable? Those are all the things you don't know. So despite how seemingly easy AI is to use, you still need somebody who understands the software development process to build you something that's secure and something that's reliable and something that has the features and the ability to integrate with the software that you can't build for yourself. So that's what we do for you. I've learned all the secrets of communicating with AI properly, and I'm still learning, quite honestly. But I've learned how to build CRMs that are reliable, that are secure, that will keep your users' data and your personal proprietary company's data private and secure from online threats and from just in any kind of outside attacks or even inside attacks. So there's a lot that goes into building a CRM that is fully functional, safe, and reliable. And so I would say you could spend the next year or two or several months at least paying somebody thousands and thousands of dollars, or spending thousands of dollars worth of your valuable time learning before you can even start building. Or you can connect with us and we'll build you a CRM ready in days, not months like some of the other developers that are offering custom CRMs. We'll build it for you in days, and within a week or two we can have you completely free of a large majority of your subscriptions that you're paying for. And we'll have you fully integrated with some of the most common tools like Google Maps, Google Analytics, some QuickBooks, your payment gateways. We'll set that all up for you. It's already built into our CRM, and we can help you set it up. So with us, you pay once, and you never pay another subscription fee for your CRM. Yeah, there are outside integrations that you're still going to have to pay for, but those are unavoidable. I can't even avoid those myself. So, but I've done the hard work. I've learned the AI. I've been developing CRMs for over a decade, and you're going to pay a lot less buying one of our CRMs than you would spending the time to learn and build it yourself, and to make sure it's up to industry standards and has reliable data security. So we'll save you money whether you're trying to build it yourself or whether you're paying subscription fees. We can help you out. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into our demo. We've got a couple of different demos that you can look at. We've got our roofing CRM, which is specifically designed by myself and my cousin. I've consulted, who is a longtime roofer, been in the industry for years, probably one of the best roofing guys in Florida. So he and I have collaborated together to build this and tried to pack it full of all the features that a roofing company would need right out of the box with no upgrades. We don't make you pay for upgrades, added features. You need something built that you don't find in there already. We'll build it for you. So, so again, yeah, this is a roofing CRM built by roofers and for roofers. Then you can also jump into our, let's see here. We have a trade CRM if you're interested. If you're not in roofing, that's okay. We have a fully featured out-of-the-box CRM ready to go for you if you're in HVAC, electricians, plumbers, landscaping, lawn care. And we can do some unique and phenomenal things for your custom CRM. But we're going to start out looking at the roofing CRM. And the first thing we need to do is we need to get into the demo. So when you go to roofcrm.exitsaas.com, you're going to come to this page right here, and you're going to click the Try the Demo button. And it's going to, oh, hello, what's going on here? Hold on, let me get my page working properly here. Let's see here. Sorry about that. Select and right here and share. And okay. Boom, there we go. We're good to go. Okay, so you click the Try the Demo button, and you're going to see this form come up right here. You're going to fill out this form, gives us a little information about you, lets us know what you're looking for, what you need, and then you're going to hit the Send Me an Access Code button. Once you send that, click that button, it's going to send you an email with your access code. Open the email, get the access code. If you're still on this page, then you may see this modal come up. But if not, just come on back and click the I have an access code button. And then you're going to type in your access code. I'll put in a generic access code that I've made. And check the Terms of Use button and hit Enter Demo. And then you're in the CRM. And you can see, you can feel free. We've loaded a lot of seed data in here for you to play around with, things for you to take a look at. So it's not just empty. You can actually watch it work. And the first thing I'm going to discuss in this video, and I'm going to break this up into a few different videos so you're not stuck watching a long, drawn-out video that you got to come back to time and time again and try to figure out where you left off. So first thing we want to do is let's go through just the normal CRM stuff. Okay, we're going to start with the dashboards. Okay, this CRM is designed for you to have many users in many different roles, and you can see the role that you have when you log in determines the dashboard that comes up. This is our command center. This is for the boss. This is for the company owner. Then you've got your production dashboard for your production manager, the guy in charge of making sure your crews get out there and get those roofs installed properly. Then you've got your sales dashboard for your sales manager. You've got your marketing dashboard for your marketing manager. And we're going to go through some of these things in later videos more in depth. And then you've got your administrative dashboard where you load all your team members, put in all your employees, their pay rates, all that kind of stuff. And then we've got your automations. Every CRM nowadays is including automations. There's things that you want to have happen automatically in your CRM, so everything doesn't require user intervention and button clicks. And then you've got your general reports. So we'll go through some of these later as well. So each of your managers, your top-level managers, has a dashboard. Your regular users, when they log in, they're going to see this dashboard right here that shows them the data related to their specific role and operation. So in here, this is an admin dashboard. This shows basically, every user is going to see their active contacts, the things that they're working on, tasks that they have to do, and then recent calls they've received, what's on the open in the board for them, and then their just different things related to what they need to know to do their job every day. And then we're going to look, and then you've got your basic CRM stuff here, your dashboards. Then you've got your boards. These are your pipeline boards. And we've got some boards built in for you so that, again, you could use this CRM right out of the box. Day one is ready to go for you to use. We've got a sales board, pipeline, a production board for your production pipeline. And then if some roofers have told us that they like a separate service, like service call pipeline for replacements, repairs, inspections, other things outside of full roof replacements and roof installations. So you've got your boards. And then you've got your basic stuff, like you got all your contacts here, your customers, their jobs, their estimates, their contracts, their invoices. And then even within the contacts, you've got that each contact's specific stuff. The jobs in work for them. You can have multiple jobs for each customer. Maybe they're a repeat customer that comes back for service work, or maybe even later, wind damage, hail damage, a new roof replacement, they come back to you. Who that lead is, that customer's assigned to, which team member. And then you've got their activity log, but all these things over here, you can find those for each client inside their customer record, which is where most of the time you'll be spending where you'll spend most of your time in your CRM. Your folks will on the customer records. So you've got all your basic CRM stuff in here: automations, pipelines, boards, contacts, jobs, estimates, contracts. You have right down here. Let me go over here to the settings. You've got your, let's see here. You've got your notification settings, your calendar settings. You can build custom fields. All right. You can add custom fields to the CRM. That's another great thing about our CRM is it's totally customizable. If there's features you need, we can build them. But if there's custom fields and reports and forms and templates, you can build those all within the CRM yourself. And we provide you with complete documentation on how to make that happen. So you've got your locations here. This is a multi-location CRM. And there are no per-seat user fees, no fees at all, because you own it. You can have 100 different locations depending on the size of your company, and you can manage every one of those locations and all the employees, all the jobs, all from within this one CRM. This one CRM is all your company needs. It's deployed to a server so that it's accessed through the web, so every company, every location has access to it. We can integrate with your QuickBooks, your Google stuff, your email, and also right out of the box. This your CRM is pre-configured right out of the box for you to start sending emails right from within the system. And we'll dig a little bit deeper into some of those features later on. But for right now, for this video, I just wanted to show you that you have all your standard CRM stuff: a dashboard, your sales boards, your contact information, and all of their related documents, follow-ups, photos, activity list, calendar of things to do, all built into the CRM. You can edit your customers' data. You can delete it if you wanted to. Be careful with that, though. You can create new tasks or see all the tasks for this customer. You can build your own list of tasks, put them on the calendar. So you've got all your basic CRM stuff built into the system. So that's it for this video, folks. And come back for part 2, and we will jump into some of the fantastic features that we've built for you and for your folks that are out in the field. Again, this is Merrill with ExitSaaS Automations. Thanks for stopping by and look forward to seeing you at the next video.